What is the first thing you need to do when you get home today? Do you have any chores that have been delayed? Don't you have any laundry piled up at home? Laundry is one of the household chores that many people find annoying. As it proves, the do-it-yourself business is thriving day by day. But using such a plan is more complicated, annoying, and crucially expensive than you might think. We will make the laundry very simple. For a small amount of money, it will make it no longer bothersome. Rather, it will make laundry a pleasant experience for you. The way to keep housework from being bothered is to make it a pleasant hobby, not a work. Let me introduce laundry therapy. Make laundry a hobby. The way to do laundry is simple. When doing laundry, it is enough to mix our products in detergent. It is much simpler and more economical than packing and sending a lot of laundry to a laundry company instead, or struggling to get to a coin laundromat. Our products amplify the efficacy of laundry. Basically, the effectiveness of laundry is simple, such as maintaining hygiene and extending the lifespan of clothes. However, research has proven that laundry has a variety of benefits. First, laundry relieves stress. Since laundry is a simple and repetitive task, it allows people to relieve stress. As it is a physical activity, the process of doing something with your hands can calm your mind and relieve mental tension. Next, it can give sensory satisfaction. Especially, it can give tactile satisfaction. The refreshing smell or soft touch from clean, washed clothes can give sensory satisfaction. These sensory experiences can make you feel good and happy. Also, laundry has amazing power that gives us psychological stability. In the course of repetitive laundry, we can naturally organize our minds and relieve stress. Clean clothes and organized environments clean our minds and give us a sense of calm. Believe in the power of laundry and experience the little leeway in everyday life. Our product amplifies these benefits, making it possible for you to be considered a therapy.